Okay, so I found out where the last bomb thing is. Turns out we need some extra stuff though. Or I hadn't thought about it, so let's go back to the warehouse, and I can't shoot it with anything, so let's look for the sniper rifle. Is this it? Is this the sniper? No, that is a grenade launcher. Alright, that's good too. We'll accurately shoot people with this. Alright, not complaining, but... Alright, let's go. Dun. 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 Oh, is this... Oh, level 3 door. Okay. There we go. Alright, we got this now. Alright.
Use your PSG-1 to take out
Alright, yeah, I got it.
Head to the connecting bridge between shells 1 and 2.
I know, man. I know. I got it. Let's see what's in here first. Anything creepy? No, actually. Wow, surprising. Alright. Wow. Let's see what's in here first. C4, Claymore, C4. Alright, that's okay, pretty good. I always feel like looking in these things. It feels like a huge safety hazard to put just explosives in your locker. What, is it a bomb? Oh, I'm gonna put it in a drawer. What's a drawer gonna do? God, what an amazing film. Alright, Rooster Teeth, when that movie first got announced, I was like, this movie's gonna be amazing. No one's gonna watch it, but it's gonna be amazing. And then there's like, that movie's gonna be terrible. It's gonna be a huge flop. No one's gonna like it, and now it's like... My friend who absolutely despises superhero movies, the only superhero movies he enjoys is like The Dark Knight and Iron Man 1. And he likes Iron Man 1 just because of... He likes Robert Downey Jr. and Dark Knight because the Joker, his kind of dark humor... And then he's like, no, fucking, Guardians of the Galaxy is the best thing ever. I was like, I told you. No one. Oh, God. I'll beat you up in the next room. Bye. Man, there's Let's Plays of people going through this whole game without getting seen once, or like, just the whole games. Without even being seen. Those people are just godlike. But yeah, that's the guy. I'll leave a link to his Let's Play this, because I would not have been able to do this without cheating from him, so I can't remember his name at the moment, but it'll be up there. Oh. Did I get it? Yeah. So yeah, it was on top of that thing. I was trying to blow it up, and I was like, I can't do it, and then it's like, no, it turned out it was just that. So I think we're good. Oh, thank Christ. Thank Christ.
Raiden, I found
My heart is beating so fast.
Is it in good shape? Full tank. I'm heading for Shell 1 now. What about that Harrier?
It's not on the heliport here.
Good. I'll set this one down there then.
Can you cover the hostages? They're being held on level B1 in the core. Pliskin, you didn't happen to find any other places where hostages were being held, did you?
No, nothing like that.
Okay.
How many hostages are there?
There's a few short of 30. One dead and several wounded.
The Kasaka's cargo area will hold...
Can I just get a hug for doing that?
The other Kasaka.
I sabotaged it.
But yeah, you had to go all the way back to the Strut F warehouse.
Can you fly
If you want to know.
I have a pilot who's flown the civilian model, the KA-62 in VR. There's not a whole lot of difference between the military KA-60 and the civilian model.
Cleared for takeoff.
Raiden, let me introduce you to my partner, Otacon.
His partner, as in boyfriend.
Raiden. Nice to meet you.
They make out.
Damn! Raiden, I'll talk to you later.
Colonel, I need some answers from you. Who exactly is Pliskin and his partner?
I know what you're thinking.
It keeps coming back to Shadow Moses. And now this Otacon.
AKA Hal Emmerich, PhD, a Shadow Moses survivor.
Rose?
Snake and Otacon both became fugitives after Shadow Moses, wanted for acts of terrorism.
An anti-Metal Gear organization.
They sabotaged and destroyed countless Metal Gear units throughout the world.
And were responsible for the incident 2 years ago that necessitated the construction of the big shell.
Snake and his partner aren't terrorists.
Jack,
Yeah.
why are you defending them?
I look back on what I've done here so far, and things like training and sense of duty alone won't get you through a sneaking mission like this.
Jack, are you okay?
Sneaking.
You need something higher. I can't think of the right word, but it has to be pure will, backed up by courage, or ideals, or something like that. I'd stake my life on it. The solid snake that saved Shadow Moses couldn't turn into a terrorist.
Maybe that's true, but they went down with that tanker 2 years ago.
Wait, Otacon wasn't there with him.
Body.
And the DNA test results on the body say it's him.
Jack, I know what you're saying, but Snake is dead. He can't be here. Not even as this Dr. Hal Emmerich.
But that also means that he can't be the terrorist leader behind this thing.
That's something. Oh, my back. Oh no. Are we gonna have another stupid fight? Or is this Otacon? Otacon! I mean, Pliskin. Yeah. Wait.
I've been waiting for you. A messenger from the Patriots. Where do I know him from?
So you're the boss around here?
No, not just around here. I'm the boss to surpass Big Boss himself.
Oh no, that's stupid. Never. I won't believe that.
Snake.
You're not Snake.
No, that is not Solid Snake.
Yeah!
What a pleasant surprise, brother. Save it. You were mine. Don't say you've forgotten me, Snake.
I knew it.
Snake?
Right, take cover.
Thanks, buddy. I did all that for nothing. I'm fighting someone from Tron.
I'm a whole different game from Liquid.
So this is Solidus. I knew it. Solidus Snake. Yeah, you wanna watch out for Raiden, maybe? Oof. Yeah, oof is a good description. Apparently that's pretty. Oh, and then he drowns. Did I get him? Did I get him? Did I get him? Oh, that's stupid. Well.
We're in trouble. It's the Harrier.
Go, maybe? I'm not sure how I feel about his design.
The world needs only one big boss.
Or none, maybe. Maybe we could just bring Liquid back and have like 3. Be like the third triumvirate, maybe. I don't know. The boss triumvirate. There you go. We could have that, maybe. I'm just throwing out suggestions here. We could have the crazy guy, the cool guy, and
Right.
Solidus.
This is the Stinger missile launcher.
Of course. I knew it. Why did I...
Stand up to the Harrier. You have to shoot the Harrier down.
Snake, we got company.
I'm counting on you.
Okay. Alright. Wah, wah. Alright. Wing. Oh, thanks, buddy. Yeah, let's get these on. No, wrong thing. Oh God, what was that? All right. Alright. How'd he throw? Alright. Thanks, big boss. Oh. Oh. Oh no. I see him coming back. No, wrong button. Alright. Wow, this fight's much lamer than the liquid fight. What was your plan, dude? Like, what were you trying to do, man? Ow. Thanks. What? Whoa. Whoa. Thanks, I guess. I don't understand what's happening, bro. These are really, really slow missiles. Something tells me these aren't accurate. Hold on. Oh, I missed that, alright. This fight's a little silly, you guys. It's a little silly. Thanks. That was sick. I don't know, I wasn't paying it, I was just shooting him a bunch. Yeah! I've done the damage. The damage I done. Wait, what?
There's something coming up.
Ah, what? This is just...
That's Metal Gear! It's already active!
It's already active! Oh god, watch out. Oticone. Snack. Wait, what is he doing? Snake! Oh god. Picking up the controller. Ah! Oh, jeez.
They got my eye.
Ah! Ma'am, have you actually done anything?
Fab, go.
Is it just boss after boss after boss? Once again, can someone explain to me what Vamp does? Like what is? Okay. Okay. All right.
Hey, what's that? It's running on water.
You know, nanomachines. This is so fucking stupid. What? Wouldn't he drown? Okay, I thought he got a... I thought the 6 other children were killed.
Right. Yeah. How about you guys?
Barely managed.
So, in Phantom Pain, can we just say, yeah, none of the children were killed? It's just all 8. We just kill 5 other sons of Big
Can I ask
Boss.
you something?
What?
And then fight Snake.
You, the Snake. They said you were dead.
No, not me. There's still too many things I need to do.
Snake, you're a legend, and that's why I need to ask you this.
Legend. A legend is nothing but fiction. Someone tells it, someone else remembers. Everybody passes it on.
I'm here because I was
Pass it
assigned to
on,
this
pass
mission,
it on.
Not because I want to. If I could, I'd be out of here in a second. How could you come back to all this? Why keep fighting?
There's something my best friend said to me once.
What?
We're not tools of the government or
Oh.
Fighting was the only thing I was good at, but at least I always fought for what I believed in.
What about the DNA results from that body?
That
Yeah,
was
what-
Liquid's body. He and Snake are identical on the genetic level.
Wait, what?
A deception for our own protection. We stole his frozen body from some organization. Kind of a hassle, though.
That's all there is to it.
Are you two
okay.
NGO?
Insofar as we're a non-profit organization of civilians advocating a cause, yes. The cause has
That's why his arm is
the
gone.
eradication of Metal Gear.
We work on our own, but it's a cause worth fighting for.
Why would you stick your neck out for something this risky?
That's the way I used to look at it 4 years ago. I was holed up in the middle of nowhere in Alaska, drinking too much.
We have a responsibility to the coming generations, to the world.
What responsibility?
Keep track of the mistakes we've made as a species.
We need to remember.
Yeah.
To spread the word, to fight for change, and that's what keeps me alive.
You think you can change the future?
Nah, I'm not as arrogant as that.
What you do isn't grassroots activism. It's more like terrorism.
I admit that.
But our group, Philanthropy, received some information. A new Metal Gear prototype was being developed here, and terrorists were planning to raid the facility. The information came from a very reliable source.
So you're here to...
We're here to stop all that. But I also have a personal motive.
Looks like the terrorists have his sister in the big shell. We're here on our own, not under anyone's orders. We have our own battles. Oticon's here for someone. I'm not.
This is a military mission.
Jack, are you all right?
Just barely.
You almost gave me a heart attack.
Sorry, it wasn't intentional.
I know that. I know I need to stay stronger.
Say a prayer for me, Rose, so I can come back.
You will make it back. I'm with you all the way, remember.
That means a lot to me, you know.
I'm going to save the data, okay, Jack?
God, this is so.
Metal Gear's already gone active.
It's not too late. You can still prevent a nuclear strike by securing the president. And
I guess. I thought they said they.
taking place. Get to the president. He's in the core section of Shell.
So we're about halfway through, I think it said. And that means about, well, for us, that means around 4 to 6 more hours. So that means around 8 to 12 more episodes.
That attack just now doesn't make any sense. It's like they have no more use for this place.
Colonel, you were monitoring the codec calls. That man was the real Snake all along.
Maybe.
Maybe?
Don't let your guard down with him.
Why do you say that?
Because they were never a part of the simulation. They're an unknown factor.
You can take your simulation and... We're out here, we bleed, we die.
Calm down.
I suggest that you do, Raiden. Even if that is Snake. That has no bearing on your mission.
Colonel, you and Snake used to be on the same side. I don't understand. I read about you and Snake in the Darkness of Shadow Moses.
I don't give a damn what that piece of trash said. Do you get me?